Hello kids! Today we will learn some of the human sounds. The sound of sneezing. The sound of drinking. The sound of burping. The sound of eating snack. The sound of coughing. The sound of clapping. The sound of kissing. The sound of snoring. The sound of being quiet. The sound of yawning. The sound of baby crying. Let's do a quick review. The sound of sneezing. The sound of drinking. The sound of burping. The sound of eating snack. The sound of coughing. The sound of clapping. The sound of snoring. The sound of kissing. The sound of being quiet. The sound of yawning. The sound of baby crying. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.
मैं हूँ